Namaste everyone, my deep divine gratitude. Today we are talking about the law of manifestation. Now, to completely understand law of manifestation, we have to know about two laws which governs it. So the first law is law of attraction, as we already know. What we try to attract is automatically attracted to us. But law of attraction is not complete in itself because it is governed by the law of resonance. Now, the law of resonance means what vibration you vibrate with and what kind of thing you want to attract to you. You have to vibe in that criteria. It's like a stronger magnet or a weaker magnet. A weaker magnet can only pull the weaker things, but a stronger magnet can attract many things, isn't it? So the law of resonance is you attract all the situations in your life according to your personal vibration. Now, you already know almost everybody lives in beta stage, but there are manifestors who go to theta or alpha state of mind. Then they do their manifestations and then they watch everything happens to them what they have manifested. So money Reiki will give you that vibration also. And then money Reiki also have the psychological things by which you will maintain your mental peace. So now we will go ahead and learn about how we can resonate with money Reiki, as you will be attuned soon to this beautiful energy. You will start to vibrate like an amazing money making magnet, and then you will re-understand law of attraction according to the way it works normally for the people. We don't have to go into complexity. We will keep it simple. We will have the psychology of money. We will have the vibration, how we can attract the money, and then we will put it together and then we will understand the law of manifestation. So from tomorrow, when you will be attuned to this money Reiki, we will give you these topics in more deeper aspects. So thank you and be blessed always.